The Gorgon project is located on Barrow Island, approximately 60 kilometres off the northwest coast of WA. The island has been a Class A nature reserve since 1910 and is home to Australia's largest onshore oil field, which has been operating since 1967. The largest single natural resource project in Australia's history, the project is operated by Chevron Australia and is owned by a joint venture comprising Chevron Australia and Australian subsidiaries of ExxonMobil, Shell, Osaka Gas, Tokyo Gas and Cebu Electric Power.
Toxfree are delighted to be part of the Chevron-operated Gorgon project. Contracted to Toll, Toxfree provide a range of services as part of the downstream logistics contract. Toxfree are a national provider of waste management, environmental solutions and industrial services, employing in excess of 800 team members operating from over 30 locations throughout Australia, including a number of sites approved to support the Gorgon project. Our comprehensive range of waste management services include hazardous and chemical waste disposal, liquid waste treatment, solid waste management, resource recovery and recycling services. Toxfree's range of on-site industrial services includes high pressure water jetting, vacuum loading, contaminated site remediation, non-destructive digging, tank cleaning, emergency response services and disaster recovery. Our behavioural-based safety mantra is harm-free. It is ingrained in the culture of our business and is focused on the principles of exceeding customer expectations with no harm to people, no harm to the environment and no harm to resources. These are the values that are built into every activity that we undertake. Quality is controlled at every stage of the process, with the Gorgon project's activities triple accredited for safety, environment and quality. Toxfree currently control the total waste management and subsequent waste treatment for the Gorgon project. Toxfree manage all waste types from the Barrow Island upstream and downstream contractors in a cradle-to-grave concept with an obligation to recycle 80% or more of the recyclable waste volume. We hope you enjoy our presentation and look forward to working with you on the Gorgon project.
The services provided by Toxfree start at the initial segregation of waste. You will notice a range of waste collection points on site. These are the key to getting our waste management process right from the start. The key focus of this segregation is to reduce the amount of waste being sent to landfill. So what can you do? With over 60 different waste streams collected on site, we do need your help. Bins are signed, highlighting the waste stream being collected, such as food waste, plastic, paper and cardboard. So please take note of these when disposing of your waste. So for example, if you have a leftover lunch container, scrape the leftover food into the food waste bin and pop the plastic container in the plastics bin. The principal waste streams currently being collected from the project are plastic, hazardous and general waste. Fauna risk mitigation is key to the Gorgon project process, with innovative possum ladders installed in open-top bins. Closed compactor bins and refrigerated containers are used for camp wastes to ensure Toxfree doesn't get any stowaways. Upon collection, the waste streams begin their journeys. Waste goes through a basic sorting process on site at Barrow Island before being consolidated and transported back to the mainland via marine transport. The cargo vessels sail from Barrow Island to either the Dampier or Perth supply bases. The waste is unloaded and begins the road journey to one of the Chevron-approved treatment facilities. At points along the supply chain, the rotable waste assets pass radio frequency identification beacons, which track the location of the waste and receptacles. This information is pinged into WasteFree. WasteFree is Toxfree's waste and asset tracking system, which operates simultaneously across all approved sites. This records waste recycling and disposal for monthly reporting down to the kilogram from Barrow Island, the mainland supply bases and related contractors. Depending on the waste stream, it will be transported to one of the many designated approved Toxfree sites for treatment, operating 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. All recyclable waste is processed and disseminated accordingly, including cardboard and paper reuse, polystyrene recycling, furniture manufacture from recycled plastics, and the approved landfill locations where methane byproducts are transformed into a waste-to-energy process. The bins are then returned to the approved Toxfree quarantine sites where thorough maintenance is undertaken, including specialised cleaning, pesticide application, and quality control is conducted. The bins are then wrapped and heat sealed, ready for their return journey to Barrow Island. Toxfree have in excess of 3,500 assets participating in this process as part of the Gorgon project. So you can see by the extent of the overall waste management process how important your help is in ensuring the waste is managed effectively, limiting the amounts sent to landfill. Working under the logistics construction contract, Toxfree have been operating bespoke waste management solutions for the Gorgon project since September 2009. Over that time, Toxfree have mobilised numerous assets, trucks and material handling equipment to handle the waste profile. We look forward to working with you on the Gorgon project. Your ongoing support in helping us to manage waste effectively is greatly appreciated.